everybody, my name is EdenHo. I am being a cooking scientist today, and we are making apple smoothies. The first ingredient is apples, double apples, or 2 apples. And the next ingredient is a quarter of cucumber. And the last one, the ingredient is lemon for freshing the juice and like for 10 drops. And we're going to do the next step is, you know the ingredients already, so let's get started. First thing we have to do is wash them and cut them. Wash them and cut them. And put it in this little blender or smoothie blender. And put it in, it's going to be noisy. It's very noisy. And we have to go into the kitchen. Yeah. Now I'm in the kitchen now. So I wash it with this vegetable wash. Whoa. And I'm going to wash it with real water. Rub it. Nice and shiny and clean. And this looks like very shiny. And again. What? And another shiny apple. Now for the cucumber. Ugh. What? Quite slippery. Now for this fresh lemon. Now for lemon, I'm rubbing it down. And for fresh water, these are drinking water. Now all the fruits and vegetables are ready. Now we're finished washing, so we're back to cutting. Ooh, look, fresh apple. Now I finished cutting, and this is an apple skin. The apple skin has a lot of nutrients, and it'll help your body grow faster. And I'll taste it. It tastes good. It's the same thing with the other apple, and then we put it in the blender. Put some fresh water in it. up to the cucumber. But the last of the cucumber, we have to throw it away. Whoops. Now we have to get a quarter of it. So this is a quarter. And the other end is also have to throw it away. It's very easy to cut. But one more cucumber and it's going to be done. So now we're going to put it in the blender. Oopsies. Now for the hard part, the lemon. Do not cut too fast on the lemon because there is juice that's sour, like orange. Sometimes it's a sour. Now we got the lemon in half. Lemonade! And we put a fork in it. Shuck. And squeeze it in 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we put the dangerous part in. I think all cutting off the ingredients, seed and pit water. And now we click it. When you try to click means we are in the means I got it. Now click it in. And cover your ears. You might hurt your ears. Now we finished. Now let's pour it in tray. Now we have to stir it.